The business side of this has been huge. I mean, I've got a car in my driveway that, like, when something goes wrong, I take it to the dealership, they fix it, I don't have to do a thing. I was always the buy a car with cash and hope it doesn't break down for the next 10 years kind of girl. I'm home with my kids. Like, I'm not working myself to the bone, painting and doing renovations unless I feel like it, unless I want to. We are hitting goals and hitting milestones that we thought were part of a 5-year plan that now we're looking at, oh, I set this goal last year and we just checked it off this year. If you asked, like, Michelle that hit the promoter button then, like, what this would do and what she thought was coming, like, I never would have imagined. I would have told you no freaking way. And now it's my favorite thing in the world is that I get to wake up every morning and I help people, and all of these goals financially in our life are getting met at the same time. I mean, how powerful is that? It's amazing.